Classic 1977 Ford Woody 9-passenger wagon. Limited II Squire Station wagon. Perfect patina, drive it the way you found it. Look. 400 CI, AT, PS, PB, AC. Low mileage 106K, runs awesome. It have all the moldings. Could use good detail, cleaning and tires. Super straight, solid 99% rust-free. Condition, good. Cylinders, 8, drive, rear wheel, fuel, gas, odometer, 106,250, paint color, red, size, full, title status, missing. Transmission, automatic, type, wagon. Price on sale, only $2,200. Call the owner Jeff, 406-212-2601, to buy the wagon, or if you are looking for another vintage, classic vehicle or parts. We do classic auto parts locating, light repair, and restorations as well as sales and consignment. Shop location, 1075 Rose Crossing, Kalispell, Montana. Local delivery and worldwide shipping available. We have buildable classic cars, trucks and classic auto parts available, so don't hesitate to ask about other stuff you might be looking for. Ask us as we have a lot more to list. Even if don't currently have it, we may know where it is. If you need help selling your classic vehicle or parts, give us a shout and we will see what we can do for you. You can check our website here to see the listed parts for sale. carfreakclassics.com/collections/available parts.